I'm recording it. Right now we are, where are we at? We are at the Smoky Mountains Waterfall. Isn't it nice? You want to be on my video?
Isn't it beautiful?
Isn't it? Jeez.
Fall over.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the pretty rocks. Eddie, look at the pretty waterfall. I can't go too far over the edge. I'll fall in. I want to get a really good shot, but I can't. Gotta be extra careful because of the rocks. You can trip, and they're everywhere. Look at this cool thing. Oh wow. I'm videotaping it. Here is right here. More waterfall. Lots of water, right. Hi, Ryan. Hey, Megan.
Hey.
Okay. Walking up a trail now. And someone just actually jumped in the water. Wish I could be so brave. No. No, I couldn't either. A lot of trees around, so it's hard to get a good view.
You can see how clear the water is here, though. You can see straight to the bottom.
Oh yeah, you can. There's somebody jumped again. And look at this cool little walkway up here. Hold on, I don't want to get anybody on camera. People are swimming down there.